Hello everyone and welcome to my new birdwatching vlog. Behind me there are 4 common Shelducks and I find those are one of my favorite ducks. They're beautiful and you know what's interesting? They breed in holes in the ground or under shrubs. Especially the part in holes under the ground. That's pretty interesting to me. They even do it in old rabbit holes sometimes. So that's cool. Oh wow, the Eurasian teal, in my opinion the most beautiful duck species here in the Netherlands, or anywhere. It's the smallest duck species too, just look at it, it's amazing.